Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. We have that Mercedes, okay, that E-Class here, W211 guys, you can see. And if your interior door handle is not working and you need to replace it or you need to see what's wrong with it, we'll be covering this in the video today guys. Okay, that one right here, sometimes those will go bad, they will not open the door, they will break, or the cable from the back will fall off. So stay with us and we'll show you guys how to remove and how to replace it. The passenger side will be the same procedure as well. Please subscribe guys and let's grow the channel together. Okay guys, so first, okay, we need to get a T20 Torx 20 bit, okay, this one right here. And we'll need to remove, okay, that screw right there. Okay, we'll need to pull the cover out. You can see how it goes out. Careful not to break those because usually they're very breakable. Okay, next with the prying tool, we'll need to remove that cover. Okay, you can see right there. Let me turn the light on so we can see a little bit better. Okay, this is the cover. Okay, next you need a Phillips screwdriver, and there is one screw that you need to remove right there. Okay, and you can see the size of the screw now. Next, we need to go underneath right here and we need to remove that cover. Okay, you just pry it open, it has a few clips on it. Okay, let me get the light so we can see it better. Okay, so we have the two screws that we need to remove here. The same Phillips screwdriver now, that's what we've been working with. Okay, like that. Next we need to remove the cover for the mirror right here, for the tweeter. So you just push it towards the back, comes out. Okay, that's the one. You don't even need to unhook the tweeter. Okay, so now with the prying tool, there is a few clips, and a good thing guys, before you start doing that, you probably should buy some replacement clips because those go bad usually. Sometimes they will break. Okay, you can see we pop them like that, and then you need to lift up. We'll need to unscrew, okay, this one, the unlock, you just unscrew it counterclockwise, okay, like that. And you need to come out of there, okay, sometimes they'll be stuck really good, believe me. That's because it goes in the seal there. Okay, and you can see the panel came out. Stay with us to show you where all the clips are. Okay, now we need to disconnect, okay, the cable right here. So you need to pull towards the back, go like that, and now you need to twist it in an angle, okay, and we'll need to disconnect all the wires now. Okay, so one person will need to hold the panel because those can go bad really easy. Okay, so press down and pull them out. Okay, let's see what else is holding there. Okay, this black one only. Okay guys, our clips didn't break, but sometimes they will, and they're replaceable. We'll have the link on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. So you can see two clips there, one in the corner, three on the bottom, one in the corner, and one more there. Okay, so that's where the clips are, you know where to apply more pressure. Okay guys, so now this is the door handle on the inside. Usually that piece, okay, right here will break sometimes and your cable will come out. Remember the cable that we just removed? So this one is replaceable. Okay, when you get a new one, all you do is just push it in, okay, from the top down. When you try to remove those, sometimes they will break. So I don't want to remove it just to show you now how to break it, but you can get a new one, okay, new piece right here, and all you have to do, push it in, okay, that way it goes, you can see, and the cable will be functioning again. So that's the whole video guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.